Alrighty, so come back into the neck. We got our tight spots, so I'm going to start over here with you. This down here. Good. And that last one here. Beautiful. Then we got to deal with that first rib up through here. So, breath in, out. Good, and that actually now moves better than the other side, so now we got to fix the left up too. Breath in, and out. Good. That feels more even. From here, I'm going to get you face down for me. And we're just going to get into the whole mess that's your back in through here. Deep breath in, out. Good. And one more breath in, out. Nice. And get up top here. I'm going to burrow your head. I'm going to bring you over to the side. There it is. And I'll have you look right back down to center. Good. And I'm going to come around on you. Nice. Good. And then we've got the hip issue still. So, just as a recap, a bit better, not by much, but on that right leg. Can you raise that right leg up as high as it goes? Perfect. And the left. Good. So as good as the right was, the left is still better. And hold that there for me. I'm going to try and bring the hamstring down so that one doesn't quite work the way we want it to. Perfect. So then I am going to get you turned facing me over this way. Just bring you up a little bit. Perfect. And I'll turn you. Good. Good. Top leg's going to bend up. And then I'm going to give you a push through the pelvis here. Breath in. Out. Nice. And then I'm going to get you turned the other way. Same thing here. I'm just going to roll that bottom shoulder a little more in front of you. I'll have you grab your elbows. Good, good, good. Good. And a breath in. Out. A little more there. There it is. Perfect. I'm going to get you back face down for me. Take your time. And then with that, if I bend you up, good. Bending more evenly there. I'm going to get you to raise your right leg up as high as it goes. Perfect. And the left. Okay. Actually overcorrected there. So one last adjustment right through there. Breath in. Out. There it is. And then I'm going to get you to raise the right leg up and the left. Beautiful. All right. Now, also working with some shin splints, which is typically going to mean that you're going to be fairly tight in through the calves, which you are. So we're going to do some work to loosen those up, and then we're going to do some strengthening in through the tib muscles. With the calves, I'm just going to get the gun in you. You're okay with that, eh?
Yep.
Perfect. Still semi-torturous, but... Good. And then we'll switch over here. Still doing okay?
Yeah. Just tight.
Oh, I can hear the strain in your breathing. I know it's not necessarily a fun one, but
If it helps.
necessary evil, exactly. Are you doing a lot of rucking right now?
About once a week. Normally about 65 pounds for 90 minutes.
Enough.
And then running twice a week, normally intervals.
Yep.
With about 5 to 8 kilometers each session.
Well, you're putting some miles on.
Yeah.
Good. And then I'm going to get you back face up for me one more time. Let that a little longer. You're good there?
Yep.
So yeah, with the shin splints, typically it's the tibialis group, the muscles in through here being overpowered by the calves.
Mm-hmm.
So with you, you're really tight in through the calves, and then if you try and hold the foot up and use that muscle, it's actually not horrible, but it could be a lot better. And we know for you that if we can get in through the tendons loosened up a bit. That should come back pretty quickly, so try and hold that up. There we go, so that's happier. And then while we've got everything around the joint corrected, I'm also going to give the ankle a tug, just unlock that a bit more. Good. Now make sure, yep. Perfect. Check the same thing over here, so if you try and pull that up, I'm going to try and bring it down. That's significantly worse than the left. Are you getting the splints worse on the right?
Yeah, normally.
Okay, that makes some sense. So I'll probably get you to try and continue this at home, like if you can roll out or if you've got a gun just to quickly take over probably both the calves and the shins.
Yeah.
Sort of to different ends. So to get this a little more active and that a little looser. It's just a nice little multi-purpose tool.
Yeah.
Or like I said, rolling should probably do the trick too.
Yeah, with rolling it normally gets to the point where I feel like I want to cry just because of how painful it gets, especially after a run.
I can see that. Good, and then try and pull that up again. There it is. Again, I'll have you relax here. I'm just going to open the ankle up. Nice. Check the toes. 4 for 5 wasn't bad. Good. All right. Next part, I'm going to get you sitting for me. And I'll have you spin over this way. I'm just going to clean my hands up because obviously I've been playing with your feet. And then, so I know we've got some right wrist issues and we were having trouble trying to get you to hold me down here. So if I were to try and supinate you, not a lot. And then we've already kind of figured this out. So I'm going to get you to stand for me. I'm going to be over here. I'm going to give you an adjustment in through the elbow here. Pressure's okay there?
Yep.
Good. Kind of quiet, but I'll get you sitting again. And then if I grab your hand, I'm going to get you to bend your elbow. I'm going to try and supinate you again, try and keep me right there. That seems a lot better.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
And then actually with that corrected, does that change that feeling?
It's still a little tight, but it's a lot better. It's not in pain
Mostly
anymore.
better? Okay. Figured there may be one more adjustment to do. So I'm going to get you just gently shake the hand out, pinky and thumb together again. So hold me there. I'm going to try and pull you apart, and then I'm going to give you some pressure right in through there. Same thing, hold. Yeah, that gets worse. So you get to relax. I'm going to just give you some pressure down. That feels okay?
Yep.
Well, definitely felt it move.
Mm.
And then shake that out for me. I'll have you go pinky and thumb back together. I'm going to challenge in through that joint again and then hold me together there. That's a lot happier. And then if you go into...
Yeah, it's significantly better.
Okay. Perfect. I like that. Now, we also have to fix the shoulders up because you have no extension through your shoulders. So as a demo, actually I'll use this shoulder. If we try and bring you back, you just don't get anywhere. Same thing there. And then I'll have you bring that elbow in front. I'm going to pull the elbow back into your shoulder here. Good there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And then this time we get somewhere. That's pretty significantly better. And I know we were getting the same thing, give or take, on that right arm. So that if we fix that. Good. That gets better. And that gets better. Perfect. From here, feel that all out for me. Let me know if there's anything stuck or anything left.
No, it actually feels really good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Perfect.